Please, girls, parang awa nyo na. Please, use your brain, girls. Use your brain. So, my neighbor, actually, I saw na meron siyang 3 daughters. And then, yung guy, he just went away. Hindi na siya umuwi. Kasi because meron siyang another girl na babae. And yung neighbor ko, wala siyang ginawa kundi umiyak ng umiyak. For the past 2 weeks, because wala siyang trabaho, wala siyang work. Meron siyang TikTok live selling and that's all. So, wala kasing maiiwan sa kids niya kapag nagtrabaho siya ng normal job. So, sobrang naawa ako dito sa neighbor ko. Pero sinasabi niya, it's her fault na mali siya nag-choose. Nagpadala siya sa damdamin niya. So, please, girls, while you're young, when you're bata, please, parang awa nyo na, choose a good man. Choose a good character man. Choose a calm man. Dahil, I don't want any girl na umabot sa ganitong situation. And, you know, my neighbor, like, pinibigyan ko siya ng groceries, guys. Kasi naawa ko. Especially yung 3 bata, they're really young. They're just around